Hi, my name is Ashton. I am the head farmer of Babylon Vertical Farms, and today we are here in the Garage KL for another episode of Cooking with Farmers. So today we'll be preparing grilled chicken with French omelette, and we're going to drizzle it with some nice creamy pesto. We'll be using our NeighbourFood kale today. This will be the star of our show. We're going to add that into our pesto just to add a little bit more dynamic flavor towards it. Here you go, you can take a good look at it. And we're going to, so for the pesto, we're going to have some Parmesan cheese, some garlic, some pine nuts, and we're going to use this little baby basil over here, baby Basil Cress that we grew. The reason why we use baby Basil Cress is they are a lot more intense in flavor as compared to the bigger ones, you know. So you'll see, a little goes a long way when you're using this. And inside the pesto, we are also going to add some Swiss chard microgreens. That is just more of a nutrient base. Swiss chard is very neutral in flavor. It has a really nice earthy taste to it, not too earthy like spinach or whatnot, so it's just perfect. Alright, so we're gonna start off by pounding a garlic. First you need a pestle and a mortar. So first things first, you're gonna take 2 garlics, chuck it in the bowl. Pick up your pestle. If you have a stable table, fine, but you don't, so whatever. So for here, just first break it up and then crush it like this. So you get it all nice and smashed up and very smooth. You want your garlic to be as smooth as you can so that it can blend very properly with the pesto. Alright, that should be smooth enough. So when you're done, later we'll gather it. We put this down for now. So now we're going to start roasting our pine nuts. So turn on your stove. Turn on the stove right here. Put it at low, medium heat actually. When you're roasting nuts, always put it medium heat because the nuts burn very fast. They're full of fats, and then you know fats they act as fuel. So they can catch on fire really fast and burn. So first things first, you wait for the pan to turn hot first. You don't put it when the pan is cold. Alright? So when your pan's really nice and warm, you know, throw in your pine nuts. Just chuck it in. Give it a shake. Keep constantly stirring it. And one thing, you want to add a bit of salt because it helps bring out the oils of the pine nuts, you know, and it also gives a nice light flavor. So just a little bit of salt. Alright, so now we're gonna turn off the heat and just let it sit in a hot pan for a while, you know, let it keep roasting and chilling out for the time being. Alright, so now we're gonna take our NeighbourFood baby kale and we're gonna roll it up, cut it, and put it in the pestle or mortar to pound it. So we're cutting it up so that it makes it easier for us to incorporate with the garlic, and you know, it makes a nice smoother paste. So we're gonna take a few. Let me just put this down. Let me just take a few. 1, 2, 3. You can go as much as you like, you know, but I think this is just nice. Okay, so here, roll it up. So tip of a cutting knife. Take your knife and you just cut it nice and even. Get it one more time. Make it as fine as you can. Get it out one more time. Then you just cut it nice and fine. So now, all the stems you can just throw it away, you know, you don't really need those. All we want is the beautiful leaves. Right, so when you're done your finely chopped in NeighbourFood kale, just slide that in as carefully as you can. Try not to spill. It's a bit. Yeah, just try to slide it. So now once you're done finely chopping your NeighbourFood baby kale, put it in your pestle or mortar and slowly pound it. So first, you hit it down just to get them nice and flat, to get those juices out. Press, twist, press and twist, press and twist, press and twist, until it's become very fine. So you can keep rotating in between, pounding it and pressing and twisting. From here, we're going to take our scissors, we're going to go to our basil cress, we're going to cut few leaves of basil. It depends, you can add as much as you like depending on how strong of a basil flavor you prefer. for me, I'm going to take about, because it's only going to be a handful enough for the dish. We get our basil, just chuck it back into the pestle or mortar. Same thing as the baby kale, just press it down. After you're done pounding the baby basil, it should look like a paste like this again. Alright, nice and smooth, beautiful. Okay, now from here, I'm gonna pour about a tablespoon or two. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, roughly, you know, just a rough estimate. So after we add our 2 tablespoons of oil, we're gonna just slowly stir it around so that our baby kale and our baby basil cress will incorporate and slowly become a nice, beautiful paste like this. So you don't add everything all at once. So you just take a bit of the pine nuts, sprinkle in, take it and smash. See, when it's roasted, it becomes very, very soft already. It's because all the oils are already activated, you know, so they'll be. So it's already like it's slowly turning into like a natural butter, you know. So smash enough. Depends. You can smash it. You can make it smoother. You can keep grinding it until it's really, really smooth like butter. Or if you like it a little bit chunky, just, you know, you don't need to like really, really grind it for so long. So see, like that. You're still missing the key ingredient, Parmesan. So down. Get your bowl of Parmesan right here. Slowly. Remember, adding everything, always do it gradually, you know. If you do it all at once, you make it like lumps of Parmesan. It ain't good. Here, then you slowly just mix it up. Alright, so our pesto is almost done right now. So we're gonna add the last bit of it, which is a little bit more nutrients, a little bit more supplements, and maybe a little bit more structure too. So we're gonna have our Swiss Chard microgreens over here. Got that over here. Same thing. Pound it. Nice and soft. So keep pounding it. Forget my expressions, I need to use a little bit of elbow grease in this one. Alright, so put this aside. Let's move on to our eggs, yeah?